this week, while looking for an ancient treasure, we were marooned on an island, and a key part of our old navigational map went missing. Of the entire crew, we considered 4 suspects. Today, you will hear our evidence.
We got injured, but luckily, at STEM camp, we learned how to stabilize a foot, arm, or neck.
First, form a splint on an injured limb. Second, wrap. Third, if it's an arm, you put a sling on it.
Thanks Envision.
We had a crew member suffer from a punctured lung.
Dr. Smart had us build a model of a healthy lung and unhealthy lung. Here's an example of the lung. This is the diaphragm, this is the lung, and this is the part you blow into to show you how it works.
The materials we used for this model lung are balloons, a straw, a cup, a rubber band, and some clay.
We were unable to find the crew members on foot, so we built robots to find them.
We built the robot with spare parts we found on the ship. Hard work and teamwork and the parts were used with care. These are the parts we used to build the robot.
The robot can go forward and backwards and side to side. The robot is used to find the missing crew members and bring them back. The island was flooded, so we had to build a bridge with spare parts.
Had to build a bridge.
We had to build a bridge with spare parts.
You will now see an example of our robots.
One of our crew members had a heart attack. Oh no, if that's what you were all thinking. Right? Anyway, Dr. Smart thought it would be a good idea to dissect a cow's heart. What? Huh? That's what I was thinking when they told me that. So yeah, it was fun, but discuss different.
Anyway, the cow's heart had a vena cava for when the blood goes in and the aorta for when the blood goes out. Since we went to STEM camp, we know a thing or two about dissecting. Thanks, Envision.
One of our crew members was bit by a snake. We had to find out if it was a hemotoxic or a neurotoxic snake bite.
A hemotoxic snake bite. A hemotoxic snake bite poisons the blood. A neurotoxic snake bite poisons the nerves. Dr. Smart thinks a Malayan pit viper was the snake that bit Young, because it had all the descriptions Lasses and Young told him about. And it couldn't have been a king cobra because it's 20 feet long. Cindy Young said the snake was about 3 feet. It couldn't have been a green rat snake because Cindy Young said it was brown. it couldn't have been a banded crate because a banded crate has stripes, not spots.
We found blood splatters at the scene of the crime.
We use blood splatters because we can see people's DNA in one drop.
Beyond to go.
We found white powder at the scene of the crime. We did an experiment to test and found it was cornstarch.
We were not surprised to find out that it was cornstarch because cornstarch is commonly used to disguise fingerprints. We analyzed fingerprints on the doorknob and revealed that they belonged to Dr. Nicholas Smart and shipwright Robert Neff. We dusted for fingerprints on the ship. We only had coca and tape to lift fingerprints. We found Dr. Smart's and shipwright Neff's fingerprints at the crime site. So, in conclusion, something is fishy about Dr. Smart and shipwright Neff.
Perfect.
What, Your Honor, is the Indian term of saying my judge?
Okay, so now I need to go get that sign. Oh,